We have Pratyush with us, and how are you? And how are you enjoying this Asia Cup?
Bhalo, Bhishon Gurmi, but it's nice to be around cricket. And Asia Cup has been not very competitive from India's point of view, but yeah, it's fun to just be around cricket.
And আমি যদি বাংলায় জিজ্ঞেস করি,
জি জি
আমার মনে হয় তুমি বাংলা বোঝেন আপনি। এবং কি মনে হয় কালকের ম্যাচটা নিয়ে? কারণ কালকে ইন্ডিয়া বাংলাদেশ ম্যাচ নিয়ে গত কয়েক বছর ধরেই বেশ একটা রাইভালরি চলছে, যদিও সেটা ওয়ানডে ফর্মেটেই আমরা বেশি দেখি। ইন্ডিয়া টি-20 ফর্মেটে যেভাবে খেলছে তাদের আসলে একটু উপরেই রাখতে হয়। তারপরও আসলে এই ম্যাচটা স্পেশালি যেই ধরনের পলিটিক্যাল অ্যাটমসফিয়ার আছে, আমার একজন কলিগ বলছিলেন যে ইটস নট জাস্ট এ গেম, ইটস মোর দেন এ গেম। সো আপনার কাছে কি মনে হয়?
ওয়ালটন এখন দেশের সীমানা পেরিয়ে পৌঁছে গিয়েছে 50টিরও বেশি দেশে। ওয়ালটন, ঘরে ঘরে বিশ্বজুড়ে।
ODI format, bhalo rivalry, India and Bangladesh, but T20I it's one of the most one-sided because out of 17 matches, India has won 16. But I still mone hoy ki this match will be closer because if you remember, Bangladesh lost 3-0 on very flat pitches at home. But these pitches are not flat; they have enough for the bowlers. So and plus, Bangladesh will be coming after beating Sri Lanka, so they'll be high on confidence. And they didn't even practice today, so they are coming in with some belief, right? And I expect to see a very competitive India and Bangladesh game.
কি মনে হয় যে এই ধরনের উইকেট আসলে স্পেশালি ইন্ডিয়া যেহেতু আসলে পাকিস্তানের বিপক্ষে দুটো ম্যাচ খেলেছে টেস্ট করে দেশগুলোর বিপক্ষে এশিয়া কাপে, সো বাংলাদেশ কিংবা শ্রীলঙ্কার সাথে তাদের খেলা হয়নি, তো বাংলাদেশ যেভাবে 169 রান চেস করলো এই উইকেটে, সো এছাড়া ইন্ডিয়ার ব্যাটিং অর্ডারটাও মিডল অর্ডার বা লো অর্ডার সেভাবে টেস্টেড হয়নি এশিয়া কাপে, তো ওইটাকে একটা কনসার্নের জায়গায় কিনা?
Yeah, but against Oman, what India did was Surya Kumar Yadav didn't bat at all. Like 10 batters batted, Surya didn't bat. So they tried to give all their batters a bit of a hit out. But again, against Oman, I don't know how much it counts. But yeah, that is a concern, especially Sanju Samson, which is where I think Bangladesh would like to target him with a bit of spin and maybe Mustafizur's slower deliveries. Because Tilak and Samson together, I remember in the match against Pakistan, there were 22 balls that they couldn't score a boundary of, and that is huge in terms of if you're playing on good pitches against good teams. So yeah, I think Bangladesh have an opportunity if they can get out the like the Abhishek and Gill and Sky. If they can get these 3 wickets early, it will be a fine match.
ইন্ডিয়ান যাদের সাথে কথা হচ্ছে প্রত্যেকে আসলে মুস্তাফিজের কথাটা বারবার বলছেন যে যদিও যদি রেকর্ডের দিকে তাকাই, মুস্তাফিজের রেকর্ড আসলে সবচেয়ে খারাপ ইন্ডিয়ার বিপক্ষে টি-20-তে, সেকেন্ড ওয়ার্স্ট ইন হিজ ক্যারিয়ার। সো আইপিএল খেলার কারণে এটা একটা কারণ কিনা, যে আইপিএল খেলে খেলে যেহেতু ইন্ডিয়ান ব্যাটারদের একটা অভ্যস্ততা তৈরি হয়েছে হাউ টু হ্যান্ডেল মুস্তাফিজ, সো এটাকে একটা প্লাস পয়েন্ট কিনা ইন্ডিয়ার জন্য?
I still feel India rate them highly. If you speak to India's players separately off camera, they rate Mustafizur really highly. I mean, Mustafizur like came onto the scene against India and South Africa bowling those spells, right? So I mean, yeah, see with a bit of age and the wrists don't work as well. So and maybe he's become more readable because players have batted against him for so long. But I still feel he should play, and especially on these pitches where the ball is getting stuck, especially in the first innings, I think he'll be crucial. So I just think it's a bit of an overrated stat. Even Bumrah has a very poor record against New Zealand. Like you have one of those bogey teams, right? Jahan pe, matlab you are not able to perform against that team. So Bumrah has that against New Zealand, doesn't make Bumrah a bad bowler. So similarly, Mustafizur is a fine cricketer, and I think we'll see wickets from him tomorrow.
বাংলাদেশের ব্যাটারদের কাউকে একটু নজরে রাখছেন কিনা, যে বাংলাদেশের ব্যাটাররা বেশ কয়েকজন আসলে ভালো ফর্মে আছেন, অনেকে হয়তো বা অনেকদিন পরে ফিরে ভালো পারফর্ম করছেন, অনেকের তাহিদ হৃদয় যেমন অনেকদিন ধরে রান করছিলেন না, তিনি শ্রীলঙ্কার এগেনস্টে রান করেছেন, সাইফ ভালো খেলেছেন, লিটন বেশ ভালো ফর্মে আছেন, সো কারকে দেখে মনে হয় যে তার ব্যাটিংটা একটু চ্যালেঞ্জিং হতে পারে ইন্ডিয়ার জন্য?
I think Saif Hassan, especially I think his game against pace has gotten better. Like we saw it in the last game, right? And since he's moved up the order, started opening, and like his game improvement against pace, I think he'll be a good batter for India, a good challenge at the top of the order. Also Tauhid, he won Bangladesh the last game. Liton has always been quality. So there's enough in that batting lineup, I think, to challenge India. And India's bowling, you have to see that it's not been great. Their power play, they are the second worst side in terms of bowling at the death overs. Oman being the only worst, because what they're doing is they're sort of front loading Bumrah. So Bumrah is bowling 3 overs in the power play. So if Bangladesh keep wickets in hand, at the end they can go after India's bowlers. Arshdeep is not playing. It's only Hardik, Bumrah and the spinners. So if they keep wickets in hand, they will have an opportunity. And Bumrah is not having a great tournament. Pakistan smashed him for 45 runs in 4 overs in the last match. Went wicketless. Varun Chakravarti was wicketless, although he was a bit unlucky because 2 catches were dropped. But I still feel that in this India, like a lot of their aspects of the game, batting, fielding, it's not coming together. So I feel like Bangladesh are in with a good chance.
Okay, but when the tournament starts, then the question was that who will play the final against India. So India was a sure shot for the final. So do you think like that? And if it is, then what do you think? Who will be the opponent for India?
See, I feel if যদি তুমি India versus Pakistan তে দেখেছিলাম, so that I think India didn't have a great day. They were dropped 4 catches, the bowlers leaked runs, but even on a bad day they were too good for Pakistan. So India have reached that sort of depth in terms of bench strength, and even on bad days they are better than most teams. So yeah, I mean I see them in the final, but it's not like a good team on a good day can like trouble them. So it's not been the perfect tournament for them. Tilak has struggled for runs, Samson has struggled for runs. Shubman Gill only last match he performed, and he did that after putting in a lot of overs in the optional practice session that India sort of hurriedly arranged in last minute. So yeah, I mean there's a lot of loopholes. It's not a perfect team. Death bowling, fielding, a lot of stuff like that. So yeah, good team. I feel like they'll challenge India.
এবং আপনি যদি বলেন যে মানে কেন আসলে ঠিক ক্রিকেটে আসলেন ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং ছেড়ে?
Yeah, I worked for a couple of years, but I felt like it's a rat race. Every industry is a rat race, but that was not quite for me. I wanted to do something. It's a short life, right? So I wanted to do something that gives me a lot of joy, which is why the first question you asked, it's just such a good feeling to be around cricket. Sitting here, white picket fence, and players sort of going about their way. So I love writing, I love cricket, so I've tried and like to bring both of them together. So yeah.
Thank you so much. It was so nice talking with you. Thank you so much.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Download T-Sports app to enjoy exciting games and highlights. Visit tsports.com.